Oil change time. Don't do that. That's why you use cardboard. And don't forget to change out the oil filter. Whew. It's a messy job, but you gotta do it. And then you gotta clean up the area a little bit. Make sure it's nice and neat. That'll do. Put a little bit of oil into this. Go ahead and put that back on in like this. Don't forget, just hand tighten it. Hand tight. And then you fill it back up. Now you start out to make sure you did your job right. Doesn't seem like nothing new is leaking, so that's good.